Most people today say मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैं गरीब हूँ. But the truth is shocking. You are not poor. You are just distracted. Think about it. You have internet. You have smartphones. You have parents. You have health. You are alive with your dreams inside you. And still you believe you are poor. Poverty today is not about money. Poverty today is about focus. Now tell me who is actually rich? A person with 10 cars, big houses, millions in the banks, but no peace of mind. Or a person who wakes up, sees both parents alive, drink a glass of water in peace, feels the fresh air and has strength to dream. Is not that real wealth? But what happens? Distractions, social media, reels, fake lifestyles. They blind us. They convince us that just because we don't have what others show, we are poor. The reality is we are not poor. We are blind to our own blessings. The truth is very simple. Distraction is the new poverty. Every time you scroll Instagram for hours, you are losing focus. Every time you compare yourself, your life with someone richer, you waste your gratitude. और इस वजह से आज की यूथ इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है. They think they are broke, but actually their attention is broke. वो अपनी चीजों को जो उनके पास है उनके लिए शुक्रगुजार नहीं होते, बल्कि ये देखते हैं कि उसके पास ये है और मेरे पास ये नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से जो उनके पास होता है वो उस चीज को भी इंजॉय नहीं कर पाते. Let's do a small calculation. If you waste just 2 hours every day on useless scrolling, just on Instagram or maybe on YouTube or maybe anything else, on any social media, in 1 year it becomes more than 700 hours. Do you know what 700 hours can do for you? That's enough to learn a new skill, start a side business, change your health, or maybe completely transform your life. But distractions have stolen that time from you. I remember one boy always complaining, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, I am poor, मैं गरीब हूँ. But when I looked at his life, he had healthy parents, internet, education, free time. और बड़ी मजे की चीज मैं आपको बताती हूँ, still he being watched Netflix daily. I asked him, if you are really poor, how are you affording the Netflix? He stayed silent. Because the truth is, people are not poor, they are just distracted. वो अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीटली अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. यही चीजें आप लोग अपने आप पर लगाएं तो आप लोग कहाँ जा सकते हैं. थिंक अबाउट इट दैट. एंड नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट आवर पेरेंट्स. डू यू नो what they want? They don't want Gucci bags from you. They don't want cars. They only want you to sit with them for 10 minutes and talk with love. Only 10 minutes. If you can do that, you are richer than 90% of the world. Because real wealth is not money. Real wealth is time, love, health, presence, your family time. So now the question is, how do we fight this poverty of distractions? The only answer is focus, 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 focus. Firstly, start with a gratitude practice. Every morning, write down only 3 things you are grateful for. Could be parents, health, even a glass of water in peace. Gratitude shifts your mind from lack of abundance. Secondly, don't be slave to your phone. Fix specific time to your use your social media or any other apps, and the rest of the day invest in your growth. Thirdly, instead of scrolling on Instagram or maybe any other social media, read 2 pages. Instead of complaining, write one new idea. Instead of comparing yourself with others, start creating. Fourth and the last and most important thing is to sit with your parents. Go for a walk in nature. Talk to yourself. Only just 10 minutes. Talk to yourself who you are. आपका इस जिंदगी में आने का मकसद क्या है, इस वर्ल्ड में आने का मकसद क्या है? अल्लाह ताला ने आपको भी तो किसी चीज के लिए बनाया होगा ना. These are free, but these are the true luxuries of the life. So today I will ask you directly, are you really poor or just distracted? Look around you. You have family, health, opportunities, internet, time, all priceless gifts. But distractions make you blind. They convince you that you have nothing, when in reality you have everything. आप पैलेस्टीन्स के लोगों को ही देख लें. दूर नहीं जाना, बहुत करीब की एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. उनके पास क्या है, कितनी कितनी उनके पास चीजें तबाह हो रही हैं, ठीक है, उनके पास क्या कुछ नहीं है, इतना कुछ तबाह हो रहा है. लेकिन हम अपने आप को कंपेयर करते हैं बड़े लोगों के साथ. हम उनके साथ कंपेयर करें तो देखें कि हमारे पास क्या क्या है. पेरेंट्स हैं, नेचर है, हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है. और हम ऊपर अपने आप से ऊपर वाले लोगों को देखकर अपना भी टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, और अपनी जो जिंदगी है, खुशहाल जिंदगी, उसको भी हम खुशी से नहीं एंजॉय करते. रिमेंबर दिस, poverty is not in your wallet. Poverty is in your distractions. And once you control your focus, no one can stop you from becoming rich in life. Rich in peace, rich in health, rich in love, and yes, rich in money too. So today, take 1 minute, pause, सांस लें, ask yourself, what is stealing my focus? What is the one distraction I will cut starting from today? Write it down in the comments, because when you share, you remind other too. And if you want more videos that don't just motivate you but open your eyes, make sure you subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Because always remember, you are not poor, you are just distracted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.